Hi, I'm Slippers Thief. I'm into data and facts, so I started digging into what's really going on in our country. Straight from US government sources. Today's topic, immigration. Now, I could have made this a long video, but instead, I've packed in as many facts and insights as I could. If you want a deeper dive, just drop a comment. I'll gladly do a follow-up. There are three types of immigrants. Authorized, with no path to citizenship. In 2022, 2 million temporary visas were issued, including H-1B work visas, 700,000 student visas, and 330,000 family-based visas. Authorized, with a path to citizenship. 500,000 people received green cards, and another 500,000 adjusted their status while already in the U.S., 26,000 refugees and 37,000 people were granted asylum. In total, about 1 million people became U.S. citizens in 2022. Unauthorized immigrants. This includes people who entered without permission, overstayed their visas, or are waiting on asylum claims. Their estimated number 11 million. Now let's talk about the southwest border in 2023. There were 2.5 million encounters reported. Out of these, 1.3 million were legally allowed to enter. 765,000 were removed or expelled, including under Title 42. 310,000 were handed over to ICE. 118,000 unaccompanied minors were placed in HHS custody, and 600,000 people crossed the border undetected. Back to asylum. In 2022, 500,000 people applied for asylum. But there's a backlog of 2.5 million cases, and in 2023, only 32,000 people were granted asylum. Other categories worth noting. DACA recipients 545,000, temporary protected status or TPS 864,000, visa overstays in 2022 850,000. Let's zoom out. The US population is 335 million with 46 million foreign-born residents. In 2023, 1.1 million people were added through immigration, while net births were only 500,000. Today, 1 in 5 workers in the US was born abroad. So now the question is the system working? Does it need reform? I've shared the facts, you decide.